Quick question, gentlemen. What do you think of emojis? Do you use them? Yes? No? Sometimes? Gentlemen, click right up here. I've created the poll. Let me know what your answer is. And really quick, while you're voting, let me give you 5 quick facts that 99% of people do not know about emojis. First, the word emoji. It's an English combination of 2 Japanese words. For picture and moji for character. In 1999, a Japanese artist created the first 176 emojis to quickly relay information. So how much faster are pictures at relaying information than text? Double? Triple? No, try 10,000 times faster. And the total number of emojis nowadays? Almost 3,000. And this last fact, gentlemen, is going to blow your mind. How long do you think emojis have been around? 20, 25, 30, 40 years? Try thousands of years. On a 4,000-year-old Turkish pot, they found a smiley face. Again, a picture being used to convey information. In today's video, gents, we're talking about should a man use emojis? What do women think? And what are the best emojis for men? Really quick, guys, did you vote on the poll? Make sure to do this. The chart I'm about to show you, it applies directly to this. All right, so this chart right here just cracks me up, and depending on how you voted, it may make you laugh as well. But check out this. From a 2014 study, they found a direct correlation with the number of times that you sent emojis to a woman. This was with singles. Basically, you are more likely to get lucky. If you're not using emojis, you're only getting lucky about 25% of the time. But if you're using emojis when you're texting a woman, 65% of the time. My opinion on whether or not a man should use emojis? Of course you should, because it's not about the character. It's not about the stupid looking emoji. What it's about is about you conveying how you feel. And this applies to men that are single, to men that are married, to men that are in a long-term relationship, in a short-term relationship, whatever. If you want to get across how you feel, your emotions, use emojis. Now, I know some of you manly men are going to say, I'm not going to use emojis. That's for women. That's feminine. And yes, women in general do use more emojis than men, but it's not because men can't use emojis. It's simply that women are better at expressing their feelings. And what's interesting when you look at celebrities, men and women, men celebrities actually use a bit more emojis than their female counterparts because usually we're talking creative artists, people that are very good at expressing themselves, and that's what emojis are all about. So now we're back to the question, do women prefer men to actually use emojis? Is there research that clearly shows this? And the answer is yes. So in a 2015 Match.com survey, they actually went in and measured the number of emojis going back and forth in these online relationships. And what they found is when emojis were flying all over the place, people were much more likely to go on a second, third, and fourth, fifth date. And so what were the likelihood that they were going to end up together? 54% of the time if they were using emojis. If they weren't using emojis, 31% of the time. So now this leads us to the question of what emojis should a man be using and how often should he be using them. But to start this off, let's talk about the 4 emojis you want to avoid. First up, we've got the eggplant emoji. I have no idea why you would even want to use this. Next up, the clapping hand emoji. I have no idea why this is bad, just don't use it. Next up, we've got the flexed bicep. I don't know, maybe it makes you look vain. I would flex my biceps, but I don't want to break the internet. And the last one not to use, the fist bump. Maybe it makes you come off as her friend or something. So what are the emojis that women love? Well, the first one is easy, smiley face with heart eyes. I can tell you, my wife loves this one. It's pretty easy to see why women love this emoji. Next up, the smirking face emoji. This one I think makes you look playful. Now this one I don't even understand, but the speak no evil one apparently women like. Now this next one I never would have guessed, but apparently the information desk person emoji women like because guess what? It comes off as the sassy girl emoji. I didn't know that it had an alias, and I still don't understand why this would be one that women really like, but apparently they do. And guys, if you're just getting started, you're looking for emojis that are easy to use, difficult to mess up, just simply go with the smiling face or the smiling face with the tearing up eyes, or go with the poop emoji with the unicorn. No, I'm kidding. Do not go with this combination. Now, gentlemen, if you're enjoying this video, how about clicking on that like button? And if you're new to Real Men Real Style, welcome. Join our community by clicking on that subscribe button and that bell notification. Make sure to click it so you get the emails. Now, guys, when you interact with these videos, that's a good thing. The YouTube God Crom, he has told me that you guys need to interact. So after this video, leave some comments down there. Let me know what you would like to see, what you thought of the video. So how often do you use emojis? If you're unsure, then look at how the message is going. If somebody else is texting you and they're using an emoji, you have the right and can go right back with them, have fun with an emoji, try it out. Now, if you don't use them very often, you're starting the message, then have one emoji per message sent. Don't add like 5 or 7 just to get started. No, just put one in there. And if it's work, stay away from emojis. There's mixed research out there. Sometimes it can get the point across. Other times, if you don't know the person very well, it can come off as unprofessional. Gents, the key takeaway with today's video is to understand that emojis are all about emotion. You take stale text and you add context to it. Emojis are going to help you better communicate. Learn how to use them and you're going to communicate better and you're going to build deeper relationships. And gents, if you enjoyed this video, this was the tip of the iceberg. I've got so much more information over in the support article. I'm going to link to it down in the description. It was written by my friend, Claudia Cox, over at Text Weapon. I'm going to link to it as well down in the description. If you want to learn how to better use text, you want a step-by-step guide, you want a mentor, you need to go check out what Claudia is doing. I've met Claudia in person. She's the real deal. She knows what she's talking about when it comes to texting and being able to communicate with women, being able to communicate with other men, being able to use text to get across your emotions and what you want to say. She can help you out. She's got an amazing course. It's not sponsored. She's just a good friend. I'm proud to support her. So what videos to watch next? Well, if you want to learn how to text a woman, I've got you covered with this video right here. 7 texts that every man needs to know. You can send these to your wife. You can send them to your girlfriend, whoever. Guys, learn how to use this. And if you just want to be more attractive, go check out this video. Basically, how to wear boots and come off as more attractive. I talk about all the secrets to wearing boots. Go check out this video. I've got it for you right here. I'm linking to both down in the description. All right, gentlemen, so before you get out of here, make sure to go down into the comments. Let me know what you thought of this video, a little bit different than a lot of the videos I've done. And maybe you want to hear more guest posts. You want me to bring Claudia back. I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. Rainbow emoji. What else? Let's go avocado emoji. What else? Let's go smiley face doing things I don't even understand emoji. Gosh, I just love these emojis. They're cool, right? Fun.